Have you ever admired someone effortlessly twirling a pencil around their thumb and wanted to learn how to do it yourself? While the steps to spin a pencil are simple, mastering the trick takes practice. Start by holding the pencil between your index finger, middle finger, and thumb, and experiment with different grip points. The key to spinning is to pull your middle finger inwards like a trigger, while also rolling your wrist to give the pencil added momentum. Be mindful of your fingers' positions to avoid blocking the pencil's path. Tucking them under your thumb joint can help. Once you're comfortable with spinning, practice catching the pencil after it completes a rotation. With consistent practice and experimentation, you'll find your rhythm, and soon you'll be able to spin the pencil effortlessly, even with your non-dominant hand.